everybody, so today we are back in Roblox, and this game that we're playing is called the Ryan Railway. So now let's see, what do we got here? Let's try to go with Molly, so let's press that rechain button. Alright, let's see. You know, I think the turntable in this game is kind of broken. Let's see, let's try again. Nope. Let's see, there's Molly. Let's take her and crash her. Alright, here goes nothing. Off we go! Boom! Awesome! 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 Okay, guys, so now let's see. Let's get into Thomas. Alright. Wait. CGI accuracy! Let's go! Let's go! This is awesome. Let's just go now. Let's go. Come on. Choo choo. I think now we're at Elsbridge. Let's see. This is Brickvan. I believe that's Bradford I can tell it by the face. I'll be right back, guys. Beep beep. Alrighties, let's go. Oh. So here we have Thomas with Annie and Credible. Okay. Oh wait, who's that? Who's that? Let's see. It's Birdie the bus. Let's go. Wee! And as you can tell, guys, I am the worst bus driver ever. This is how I got my driver's license, by driving buses. This is how I drive buses. I am not a very good bus driver, and we crashed straight into Credible. Let's see, let's decouple her from Annie. Get into Thomas. Too bad this game doesn't have any camera thingies. Hopefully the creator updates his game by adding camera tools. So I think here we are at Knapford Yards. Alright, switching tracks. Whoa, 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 wrong way, wrong way, wrong way. Let's go this way. So now we're at Knapford. Oh my god, what happened to that coach? Okay. So now I reset, and now let's go to Percy. Oh, I'm having fun right now. So now, since there's no trucks next to Farquhar Sheds, now let's go here. Slow. Okay, whatever. Okay, it's kind of laggy, but you're wondering why is it lagging? Because this game is really big, and that's why it's kind of lagging. There's a China Clay truck. Let's get it. Let's couple it up. Right. Can't seem to couple it up. Come on. So it seems that the China Clay trucks are broken. So let's just go this way. There's Ferguson Mavis. Let's go. Through a dark tunnel now. That's very interesting to see. and we still have our lights on, which is awesome. And there's the Ben the Tank Engine twin and Bill the Tank Engine twin. So here we have Bill and Ben. So let's see, let's go. So I believe Speedskip wasn't the one who built these models. I think it was somebody else. I don't know who. But anyways, let's go down the hills and round the bends. And that makes sense because now we're going through a bend. Okay? Let's drive. Who should we drive next? There's Mavis and Fergus, the railway attraction engine. Okay. Let's try Mavis. Nope, she doesn't work, and I don't know why. Come on, Fergus. Come on. Wait, I just realized he has a middle. In the middle, he has a piston rod. Maybe that's why he's not making it through these corners. And never mind, he's already going through them. Now, through this bend. Chugga, 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 chugga. Wait. Let's see if we can... Nope, he can't go uphill. Well, maybe this engine is not designed to go uphill. But anyways, let's go. Keep on going, keep on going. Alright. And Fergus just disappeared. Well, this video just got derailed. Get it? Alright guys, sorry for the joke. I just thought it would be funny to say the joke. But no. So who do we got? Oh my god. Let's see. We got Oliver the Great Western Engine. What's up with his snowplow? Douglas Donald. Okay, let's just go into Duck, the Great Western Engine. Oh, there you go. Click. Oh, click. There you go. Ow. Let's get a coach. Right now that we got the coach, let's go. This is the Great Western Way. Oh, and there's a little boat there. Yeah, that boat looks kind of nice. Alright, let's keep going. Going through a bend. Okay, chugga, 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 chugga. Too bad we didn't find Titmoot Jets. Oh, dang it, I derailed. Well, I think that's all gonna be for this video now, guys. So if you like it, like and subscribe. Click the bell notifications and select all. I'll see you all next time. Bye bye.